father for 12 years. She pay 4 man at the Airbnb for and the man them taking money and yam it.
Take the money and drive and cut.
Yeah, them yam it money.
No, them not do that.
The man them taking money and yam it.
GX, you never hear the party when Dyema talking.
GX, come here. This morning, not this morning, just too long a while ago, me tell TikTok say, Dyema have something where can mash up the internet. She paid 300,000 to 4 man to take you out. 300,000 to 4 man. And then yummy money. And then I'll take you out, then yummy.
So Jake, just still 1 billion house this one.
Dyema life pause. See there?
Where you think them have the money? Where you think them have the money?
Who have the screen record? Me go up on the page. Who screen record it?
Why you think them have the money, Jaden?
Now them don't want to do it.
Who say have the screen record?
Them love for do it. But I not just try it go.
Oh,
eh?
Oh,
I know, you understand?
Oh, you think tough?
Wait, careful of what you ask, I'm not just saying no.
Oh, no.
Yes. And I want joke thing this energy X. I want serious thing this energy X.
I don't take nothing like baby girl.
Alright, you just want to make sure you're not.
So Jake said not going to report that, they're not going to the police.
Jesus Christ.
No, that is wicked. It's
Listen, Shay, Minis,
where's
let people use the money and do?
Wait now, hold on. Come here. Who did they hear when Mr. Tuno say Dyema have something that will fuck up the whole internet? Who was here? Just say me. Who was here when I said Dyema have something that will who just say me?
Okay. You hear that? You always you fight for your life. Okay. That's why people are calling me niece and tell me
One year, son of French.
Auntie, me tell the people them for my life say, me nah say nothing. Make Dyema come talk. Make she let go her mouth.
So when they called me last night, they want to send me some record and thing. Me tell them to send them to you. Me say, go over there.
Yeah, I'ma get them, I'ma say. Me never there go let up nothing more and Dyema for talk. Me trust them for my life and tell the people that Dyema have something what can fuck up the internet.
For the life, please, chat. Everybody for the life.
When them come last night, me say, go over Shay, my phone full. Carry go give Shay.
GX, I know you alone money go to mine too.
Money the pan Jaden one too.
Yeah, some years, so the man them want bounce out here, look at jelly too, you know?
Yeah.
Nice.
Me?
But like, could all of them something that come out now? Where you feel like, say, what you feel like the outcome, you know? Like, could all of them things that bust out, you know?
People go and report it to the police.
Yeah, this is a report it, Jake said. Anything,
report it.
You know where that come from. You need to report it. Take the screen record. Anybody who has the screen record, it, take it and carry guard the station.
And last night, she said 2 minutes. She can't get figure it out. That's what
she can make 3 to 4 phone call. But Jake, what you need to do, take the screen record and carry guard the station.
So so when we do that now, it's in case she come. If anything, if we're dead now,
actually,
yes, so anything dead then.
Yes.
So I'm dead then. So how me gonna prevent me from deading? That's the thing, and I want to prevent how me gonna unalive.
You know you're gonna prevent that, Jake. So you have to
how me gonna prevent me from unaliving?
Yeah, but GX, you understand? All right.
Jaden, because them not understand. Jaden, how you think we can prevent ourselves from
Go
analyzing?
to the police station and sleep
Yes,
in the
yes,
police station.
Up in You will make a do. You will make a do. I take it to the Lord in prayer.
No, I see GX. I just see what they saw laugh. I try
that's
to laugh.
fine.
But GX, they still have to go to the police.
Yeah.
They still have to go to the police, GX.
You know when the police go? When you make a report, if somebody comes to you and you retaliate and you get them before they do.
Yeah, you won't get in a problem. They have a report at the station already.
I would say you're not getting a problem. You get charged of. You get charged. Prison you're gone to and you defend yourself. Now come tell me that. You hear that? Jamaica this. Yeah? So here we're going to know straight then.
Don't come here
Best
again.
defense. You know what the best defense straight then?
What up?
The best defense is offense.
Go to the station, right?
I don't know where you understand our type, Mongla reason.
You know, understand, Jaden?
No, I only know about station, darling.
So, Sunshine, dog, we go and raise a lot of people, they make them reason and bust them story. You understand? I will listen. Because I will get scared. I will try to get scared. Team
No, we're
Vision.
not
We talk
afraid.
Team Vision. Team Vision.
GX.
Your life for Uno, don't get afraid.
Well,
No,
GX.
GX. No, we're not afraid, you know.
GX. Hear what, GX? You know I'm not afraid.
We're not afraid.
Come out and bust it up. Cause I'm not afraid of no boy, cause boy for keeping badness team blood clot self.
No, understand. No, GX not understand, you know. GX not understand. None of us afraid, you know. But we just have to stay up on the safe side.
Because
Because
that's all we are tell you.
GX, them not have to hurt it, try to do nothing, you know. But you're smart, we take it up the matters in them own hands and try it, you know. But they're going to still lead back to them. Because of them, they have to start the plan and it never work out.
Right.
You understand?
But, them out there, you know.
Right, have our minions them, but none of us not afraid, but we just have to say we have to stay up on the safe side.
Better safe than sorry, GX.
Right, and if
And that's why
anything,
for me, stay safe than me sorry. You better me go offense.
yeah, but me I said here, said GX, if anything at all, we have to go set the police them for Akeem.
Right here and then.
We have to go set the police them for Akeem. Yeah, we have to go set the police them for Akeem. Because if you know about say Rosealee want to take out GX and you're not trying to put a stoppage to it, we have to go set the police them for one then. The police them we have to go set for one then.
GX, remember saying call Dyema a while ago, tell them have to stop, you know. And Dyema no bother stop, so Dyema bust out your part.
So Dyema does everything because him call for Dyema stop talk. And
Yeah.
Dyema say every time me dey on live you no call me. But when she dey on live you no not call her. That means say you hate GX so bad that you know say Rosealee want to take out her baby father and you don't try to stop anything towards it. We have to set the police for you. No more life now lose over here. Me done the talk it last night. No more life now lose over here. No more blood now shed over here. The one way go over here and laugh and smile. You have to blood clot go down. You're an accomplice. You have to go down. You have
Yes,
to
they
set
might
the
take
police
it
them
too
fire.
serious to people money.
You have to set the police them fire. No more life now lose over here. Me did say it last night. No more life now lose over here. The one way go sit down and smile and laugh and chat and cuss one another and go back and talk again. You have to go down. No more life now lose over here. You don't have to. We have to set the police.
Shay, my niece, but look here now. Look how the man take care of you, the man carry them at school a morning time. And just because you want to swim around, When not even want to have no sex with you, you want to take out your baby father
Take
like
out your baby father. What give you two lovely people? And you want to take out your baby father.
Well,
No,
you
sir,
can't
what's
get
the
back, girl. I want
Rosalie
Jake's for the
really
apple
is Jake's
shelf.
man. Me don't know what Jake's to Rosalie, so.
I be a lie, the girl come out come tell the people them pan Jakes. Be a lie.
No man, Rose eat Jake's bad.
Bad.
So the gift that they must support Rosalie, 300,000 gone down the drain, you know.
Yeah, for analyze our baby father.
Yeah, 300,000 for analyze our baby father gone down the drain, you know. It done.
You, them drink NSC, you know? See.
NSA.
300,000.
Them drink NSC out of that.
The 300,000 gone, you know.
One heap of NSC and one heap of kush, them a smoke.
My dear. And then Jakes in a year again. Our mate in the cabin now, she pay for 300,000. Our mate underneath the star, you know. Our mate under the cabin now with her.
You know, man, you know, so not easy.
It's not our mate, Auntie, because remember them never fuck. So it's not our
yeah,
mate.
they never defeat, yeah.
It's not our
They
mate.
never funk up all the girl with all magnum buckle.
It's not our mate.
Dyema too enough. A long time, Dyema too enough, so you know, we can't tell them. But that's a big man thing, right? Dyema too enough for choice, you know.
I just because she try help her out still not Jakes because she say, you know, nobody no go with her and she try, you know.
Just easy. Go easy, pana.
So go easy upon Dyema, man. Me I tell her, try Dyema.
Yes, me I go easy upon her. Me I go easy upon her, of course.
Go easy, pana.
Me I go easy upon her, yes. But Dyema go hard for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, we understand that.
Dyema go hard for her, brother. Me I tell you.
You understand?
Remember she say straight, you know. And Dyema tell me to record him. Dyema tell me to record him. Yeah, tell me to call her and make sure she knows because she come here, you know. Come create an animosity and phone this go on and she go on and fuck you, you know. And Dyema drive her with her. And me call her now for page her. And before she answer the call, record him, Rosalie, record him, Rose. Come on, you style, they told him that I can't feel, I can't see, you know. He talk to shot Dyema tell her for record, but record my call.
Alright, go back, go play.
You understand?
Here?
So, yeah. One time Dyema pick her live, oh, and the girl tired of you, and the girl tired of you, and the girl tired of you. Only for them sit never go through. Alright, look on another one you know. Rebel. Oh, we have fight Jakes for us. Fight Jakes for us. And she fight Jakes for us. And she have police pan speed dial for me if anytime me and you she have police pan speed dial for me. Like a rebel, you know. Rebel. See them now? Yeah, man. And me over here, so I watch all of them. You don't know me, where you want to fight me for? Or if you want to fight me, you don't know me. Where you know me from? Where you know about me? Yeah? That machine where you somebody attack you start. Oh, I'm gonna like him, man. But it's just to me as a man. But forgive, you know? I'm just forget. Someone not gonna forget. But we will forgive. Yeah, dad. So, she deserve a look up. Dyema where she go through a 9-day talk still. But she can free her mind to and make her know what really going on in camp too. I have to tell you what I know. Because see, if never free her mind, I know. Who wouldn't know say 300,000 go per month, you know? Me think so,
Jakes. Jakes, all of we are big people, you know. You understand me? I say, Auntie, all of we
Yes.
are big. Mama know Jaden, because Jaden don't talk. Listen now, all of we are big people. And sometime in
Shay
life,
part too, but we can't recall her Shay.
no, me I
Aside.
talk my part. Me I say all of we are big people and we can forgive and apologize for certain things. Me not gonna tell a lie. The way Rosealee used to talk about GX, she used to give you one something like say, yeah, man, this person and that person. But getting to know GX, I realize like, you know, me did go off wrong at GX at first
Yes.
too. You understand? I me just want to apologize for that, GX. Cause you know me did go off wrong with you. Because all she paint the picture is like, you know you was that person, but me a big woman, me can apologize for anything when I do in
Alright.
life.
You what me want to
And so me
Jex now,
see
me
it.
niece. Me niece.
Yes.
Oh, Jex. I never bring you down none at all because I could have seen more
Yes.
or less that this girl was telling lie on you. So when the kids them take away, you know, that's so me know that's why I never go and say me I go beat you or nothing. When me I want you, Jex, you join the life. When me say to you, say, watch your youth, them and protect them. Because I know that boy, from him a baby, and he usually pat up my next to my cousin, because him is a jacket for my cousin, when they in a foreign ear. And I'm not
Yes.
lying. And that's what I said on the live, said, protect your son. Because I know him. And then, our billions or millions of them name, go over there, go tell her, say, me, I bring down our son and say, him touch our son. No, he touch my next to cousin and him bottom, because him fat. And at that, she come to me for. And the one get to hear now say, the man here her from she asked the man to have sex with her.
Look
The
to
man
Jaden.
with her.
Alright,
Who
Jaden,
that?
you know.
Who do
You know,
that?
Jaden.
Jaden.
You know, Jaden.
Sunshine, who
Jaden,
do that?
you afraid?
Who do it?
Sunshine, who do that there?
Akeem in
What?
touch Minico cousin when he were living there because he is my cousin Jackie's son. When him did young, as someone him love it for him a pitney.
All right, done.
Alright, no, Jaden, so.
My screen, man. Go
You
on,
know,
go on.
but
You fool like
imagine
that,
me here for
man.
a long time.
Alright,
Let me for me even fall upon the app. What you say now? A long time me here for.
Sunshine.
Yo, Jake, remember, say me no believe what Rose is saying, or see it. Me just there, you know, bro, and I watch everything go on. You see it. I don't believe
But
what
hypocrite
going on.
just printing in your bumbo cloth feet. Just hypocrite, sir.
Yeah, I just stay for a long time.
Jaden. You need to free up yourself. What is your problem? You know, hear me say, no more blood now shed on TikTok. Anything at all, me I go ball it out. Me I go set the police. What is your problem? Free up yourself.
When bullet come out of gun, can you stop that?
Jaden, stop being like you know no sense.
No,
Release
when bullet
yourself.
fly, can you stop that?
Jaden. Release yourself, bro.
I cannot release until me out of country.
You don't need to
Cannot release until me out of
Jaden, you
country.
don't need to behave like you don't need to. You make everybody know say you're a cow. Everybody know say you're Freddy and fool.
And so what? Jamaica me there, Shay.
The wife of Jamaica you there.
Alright. So GX, all these things we hear the woman say the man buy. You know, hear Dyema say the man no buy nothing. You know hear. And they want to be like Swiss-Lee them and World Dog them and Jaden. That's why they want to come to take down Jaden. Because they don't want Jaden is on the throne too long. So they might come to take down Jaden. You know, too bad mind. You know, come off of the app, boy, you too bad mind. You want to live in a people's shadow. That's why you have to turn swim around. You have to do swim around. Because you know, too bad mind. That's why you have to go in a batty business. Because as far as me concerned, you do anything for money, youth. Because some cranny boy when me see them send to me. What you there with? No, sir.
You come back live. Pa, which beard, sister? Which pa? Me no see it. Pa, me no see it.
Really do nothing for your Spanish person, you know. Them not really do nothing. I just when they run good on a Sunday, I issue out where them beg the people, them scam the people their money. And I show to look back. Them not do nothing. Because them not help me, not see them take up a person yet. I help a person in them backside. Them boy have to come out for the app and go man and come batty up the app. Where? One buck, you know how long me wait for Dyema for talk. Dyema they live again. We do a ticket page. Who for page?
No, they live to ticket page, yeah.
You know they live. You know they live.
The page down they live.
But what a dirtiness, eh? 300,000 for take your baby father down. Jaja. They think, and him a carry the pin in school a man in time. I saw you serious, girl. Over TikTok.
300. Come here now, Auntie Sunshine. 300 times 4, how much?
What do you mean? 12. 1.2 that.
Bumbo clat.
1.2 that. Check it out. 3 and 3. 6.
Because of 4
If a
man.
4 time. If a 4 time. A 1.2 million. Girl, have the people their money and waste it though. To take out him baby father. Girl. Jake's the paper innocent. Jake's building house in a 4 months. And you want to take out the baby father, we're going to make them comfortable, have a life standing house. Girl, people are open to see this. I open to hear because Dyema not tell lie. Dyema not tell lie. Oh?
But that Ademia, stop me at the gifters money I do. You know, realize.
Yes.
The gifters them on TikTok. People forgot the altar go ball and ban them belly pound of blood clad because they're not too wicked. You hear what fool the money I do? You hear what fool the money I do?
I'm
here.
Sunshine. Them don't give a fuck.
Them are wicked people, them not care.
So hear them say, we're going to put you at number 1. Wait.
Yeah, because they're going to say a bad mind over here. We bad mind. Remember saying the Queenie, we could have used them video, you know, when me have, you know, I make money, you know, I mean, I use it, you know. So me I show them people, I say, and the money me want, me just bring out the boy them, I make them know the type of person who them be. Yeah, we don't make kids go around them. Not even them, him me attack. Him. We know about him. Yeah, fuck.
Ross is 750 per person.
You're there.
Yeah, me just get it text. 750.
Them is a upholder.
So 750,000 for 4 man time here. What is 750?
Remember say from tomorrow we can start filing the tax. We don't make them come with no football game or no World Cup.
We not hear you, GX. We not hear you.
Jaden head that?
Yes.
Jaden head big?
You.
Your head.
750 times 4. A 4 man, you know. 750,000 one, you know.
My dear.
I'm expensive.
You sure you say a special stuff? You want to get rid of you? Mighty God of Daniel.
4 of them. 4 of them. A 3 mil that.
You're the 3 million.
How much to my head?
So come here, Jakes. Come here 1 minute, Jakes. Hold on, Jaden. So Jakes, she have her own BMW and she have to pay 12,000 a day if them a carry in her own car. 12,000 a day.
12,000 a day she pay for them drive her around.
They never hear.
Yeah, $12,000 a day.
Yeah. And she have to pay the security.
12,000 a day she have to pay them for carry her
and
around.
I feel security them a go with her, you know. Hey, the boy know if bleed the girl, you know. Cause she have to pay the security. And I want a female and a fair driver. My dear.
Yeah.
Yo, let me see.
Alright, Jake. One more thing. Did you hear what she tell her daughter last night? Say your mother drinks coming on. You never hear?
Go that alone.
No, talk Auntie Sunshine, talk.
Said, telling daughter that last night.
She tell my daughter that?
Last night.
On the live.
So she had a lot. She should drink come.
Yes.
Mr. Jaden, where you not going? Everything you talk about, load that alone. Don't say that. Leave this alone. Don't say. Go on now.
A she bus Jaden, remember?
Everything him say, leave that alone. Don't
Leave
say
it
this.
alone.
Don't allow that. Don't.
A
Why
Jaden,
if
the
you're
Jaden
afraid
mentor
now?
one time. A Jaden one time mentor.
Oh,
If you're afraid, you don't leave.
I want things that you know, if you get roots, I rate that boat to you. You don't forget nothing, yeah? The roots, yeah? The beginning. And so comes the notch by go, don't it?
the car broke down.
Then Jakes.
Hey.
If she put money on my head one time, she not will do it again.
She do it already before?
No, Jaden, your one was free.
So where tell me some head no expensive?
No.
Oh, your one was
Jakes,
free.
Jakes,
Your one was so free.
Jakes, you have to bust your style, them afraid.
Your one was free.
Your one free and Jake's one expensive.
Your one was free.
Praise, man.
Worry,
Jaden, your one never so serious like Jake's one.
Not all. A Jaden has the people in front rank.
You can understand why female go so, you know. Listen, the lady manhood should not get it. Are you a fuck? So what you expect? That is the problem. This is all
She
about
tell Dyema
catching
that she miss you, no, Jakes. She tell Dyema that she
Dyema
miss you.
says she miss you. Dyema says she a bad one here says she miss you.
She tell you how she mash up her life. She admits that she mash up her life for them boy, you know.
Yep.
Queen in the east here.
Jake and that Dyema said Jake.
Yes.
But she was
Jakes, when me come out last week, the whole of them come and say a lie, me I tell people that click like to me, me not even know. Me don't look on them because them they dead to me. I mean I give them no platform. Oh,
Jake Dyema said for true so she a bad so she miss you. And how she mash up her life to people. She miss you for true.
Look how you like her in a game.
Alright, so Jake still do better without her, so might as well just stay, me should stay well and lonely.
So Jakes, I miss her.
When they ever come with some foo like you miss Fabi?
You win the round, my boy. You win the round. You win the round,
So
my boy.
Fabi tell you, so you can't come with the guy, I better never beat you up, you know.
You win round 2.
We remember. Yeah, you're smart, and when I tell you I go like you want to move to obsess like your best friend. Yeah.
You win the
man
round
set a
today.
rhythm for you.
You win round 3.
Jaden,
You win round 3.
Right.
So, what you say?
So how the tattoo a go?
So we ask Jake say,
Hold on, they tattoo.
we don't know how the tattoo a go, you can't ask we.
What the 3 that mean? What that mean?
Go now, go over
Ask
there.
Google.
Go on my phone. Okay, go.
That's what the people
You know,
Ask Google what tree that mean.
you know, they said not really want the money to take out you.
Come guys, go WhatsApp, top of the screen.
Fifth edit free. I don't know no serious. I don't know serious money. Fifth edit free.
so a joke head me up.
A joke Eddie have.
So why they want to take my head if a joke head me up then?
So, but, so, maybe the plan, they done. You never know if the plan was so easy for you is when you go to England. That's when they was gonna slow kill you right
Oh, Jalen never leave forgot England need that thing. I know for two blood clot enough. Enough, so brother. Big man thing youth.
there.
You never leave forgot nowhere. The people them say them 18, yeah, 28, yeah, 38. Yeah.
But guess what, Jakes? Maybe the plan was them to go slow kill him.
What?
What?
Where's the sunshine? Where's it?
I said maybe the plan was to slow kill you.
Pies, you mean?
Yeah,
Dyema said rain and fall. That's why she not come back. Like rain and fall.
So how them would I do that?
yeah, and them not stay the same place. We're not drink together, not eat together.
Yo, no really don't know me enough. No really, yo, no really don't know me enough. You feel like we can't stay in one room with a man where me know so not like me none talk.
Right.
No, you
Yeah.
can't go there in a room.
Yeah, man, for the whole tour, me I sleep on the pool side. I'll find where I am corner there.
Bro, me didn't
Nah, sleep in your room there.
No, Dyema say you never there go in the room. You there go there by.
No, Dyema say she tell the promoter, the woman say, put we in a room and put Jaden by himself.
By himself.
Oh, we are one
Yes.
walk there by myself. With her.
So hold on the chair, Jaden. So no the all wanna go England next month.
With Auntie Sunshine, weird. Is Dyema getting link, you know?
Me know.
To put Rosalie and the two boy them pan it.
Yeah.
She said the woman asked the Jaden number and Rosalie, but not Jaden and said no.
Yeah.
Don't give me get the boy and put him pan it. And she
me
said she
hear
look
them
pan
say
that
that.
Rosalie and say, Lord the boy alone, make the boy eat food, everybody have to eat.
Yes, true. She said that.
Yes, is she
She tell them say we can go in a one room
and Jaden gonna buy
separate.
himself and that she said to her. Yeah. So she really get the link with all of the links war go on. And she get the whole eye link, but she just put it on.
That
Just
just
put on everybody on it.
I already tell her if I went out there, you know, she have her thing from back then.
Yeah.
Elephant man, I'll call she because of him, she not
Yes,
she,
that she said to GX. She said she get the link with Elephant Man at the
and
hotel.
she know,
And she put them on it. Yeah, she said that to
I know we
true.
are doing a video them from way back then.
yeah, Dyema him know that Dyema.
GX.
And Dyema cartel know too.
Yeah, she
And
talking
all of them
GX.
know. You see?
She talking. She says she Elephant Man call her, so she put them on it because she and them apart.
Dyema and her friend and the whole attitude squad, the whole of them.
She talking for true. And I like Jakes I tell. Jakes he said the other night, said Dyema have her name and her links long time.
It's truth. We all know that.
You know what? So she I get the booking, she I get the things them, I should put on her friend them on it.
Yeah, the loyal friendship thing.
Yeah, but you see, Jakes, me tell you, God not sleep, and God know what best, and the people them that's why me tell them do not touch the Lord anointed, because I know it was coming for, I know it was coming. Do not touch the Lord anointed. Then I hear about the woman man told Jakes down in Westmoreland,
Dear.
and maybe Jakes, I don't know if you hear about it.
Watch this. I'm gonna put on the past black people. You understand? But on everything me just jump and believe so. I'm not gonna put it past nobody else I'm say. You see? I'm not gonna just jump and believe everything everybody a chat, because people a chat. There's so much things to say about me too. Me used to be a pickpocket, you know. When me used to pickpocket down a crossroad, me used to grab chain at town. Your mom's come out to shot finger me ass and one lip her ass clad. Yeah, so
And dead.
all me things still. Kind of level training them to get to my brain. I have to jump to everything and jump to everything. Listen to it. But listen to it. You understand?
Murder. Hey, the people them in the chat, everybody sing them still in the chat still, you know.
Afraid of them with that chat, you know. Holy.
Hey, I can't manage the chat here, you know.
That takes
This
so long
Sunday.
to load.
The snowstorm is so festive. The things that make the snowstorm come like a storm out there. Dear?
Eh? Me I talk to? Where's the sunshine?
No, me I say, my dear, it's sticky.
Oh. No, them I got reason on them. Them hope you just cuss about and chase about and done na 9 days. I don't want anybody go them want to get too violent, please. Because I think it's so serious, way. You know? I don't want to take up all the straight then now.
It's ready. Next time easy to take out political straight them.
Just show me a bigger team. Just straight then.
Look here, JX, let me tell you what they don't understand. Everybody come for the app and them have to work to earn them thing. You understand me? So Jade and the punish for a long